Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a California DMV online account. So having MyDMV account makes it easier to access certain services, manage your information, and complete some DMV tasks without visiting an office. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open up your web browser and go to the official California DMV website. And once the home page loads, look for the MyDMV option near the top of the page and select. So from there, click create an account to begin the registration process. And also to get started here, enter a valid email address, then click continue. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a verification message from the DMV, and then open the email and click the confirmation link provided to continue setting up your account. And once your email has been verified, enter the required personal information, including your first name, last name, and phone number. After filling in the details, click continue. Next, the DMV will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code when prompted and then follow the remaining instructions shown on your screen to finish creating your account. So once everything is complete, you can sign in and begin using the available MyDMV online services. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.